Hi, I'm Andy Mayer. I graduated from the CFE programme from Risk Latte. I've been working in the FX options business since 1999. I've got a history of working at a number of different banks in a number of different roles. I started off working for NatWest Bank in 1999 in London as a graduate trainee, and I've been involved in options trading ever since. I've got experience of working at Crédit Agricole in London and Morgan Stanley. And then more recently, about 3 years ago, I moved out to Hong Kong to accept a more responsible role. I'm now running the FX derivatives department at CIBC Bank. So in my team there are a group of traders who are looking after FX options, vanilla options, exotic options. We are quoting and managing the FX linked structured products. We quote TARMs and TARFs and lots of variations of those sorts of products as well. We quote the deals to customers, we take positions ourselves, and at the end of the day we're hoping to manage our clients' FX risk for them and to make a profit for the bank as well by trading on our own positions. Options are financial derivatives that are based on underlying markets, any underlying market you like. You can have options on the equity markets, the bond markets, the interest rate markets, foreign exchange markets, anything in practice. And my area of expertise is to be a trader of foreign exchange options. You can trade options on stocks, you can trade options on bonds, options on interest rates, and options on foreign exchange. And it's foreign exchange options which are my area of expertise. That's where I've spent nearly all of my career. The purpose of trading foreign exchange options, there are several different purposes for trading them. Corporates generally do not like to have foreign exchange rate risk, so they will usually buy options so that they don't have any foreign exchange rate risk on their books. And investors can do the same thing. An investor who's investing in the stocks and shares of a foreign country will have exchange rate risk, and if they do not want to keep that exchange rate risk, then they can trade some FX options to manage the risk. There are also other traders in the market who actually use FX options to deliberately take risk as well. It's common for hedge funds and for traders at banks to use FX options to take positions on spot direction, to take positions on volatility, to take positions on correlation, and to take positions on the relationship between one currency pair and another currency pair. So there are lots of different sort of trading that you can do with FX options, and that's where myself and some of my colleagues come in. So me and the team of traders at CIBC are involved in managing the risks from the FX options that we trade with our customers, and we're also in charge of using options to take positions, hopefully predict the markets correctly and make money. The Certificate in Financial Engineering by Risk Latte is a quantitative modelling course for finance. It's got a lot of practical, real-life, hands-on experience. The idea is that it teaches students to deal with the real-life problems that finance professionals have to face every day. People like FX options traders, risk management professionals, quants. The sort of problems that people like this have to deal with every day are solved in the course. It's a very practical course. One of the things which I think is very important about it is that it doesn't involve any computer programming at all. This isn't something where you need to have a background in computer programming. It's 100% based in Excel, and that makes it much more powerful, it makes it much more accessible than a course which would involve some computer programming language skills. In my spare time I've got so many hobbies that it's difficult to keep up with them all. One of my favourite things is to go on holiday, to go travelling to slightly unusual, off-the-wall places. I've had quite a few interesting holidays around different parts of Asia in recent years, and my favourite ones I would say are usually either scuba diving holidays, where you can go somewhere to one of the warmer parts of Southeast Asia, or also snowboarding holidays. I'm a very keen snowboarder. One of my favourite areas of finance, interestingly enough, is to be involved in the emerging market currencies. I think with the emerging market currencies it's very important to have an interest in learning about the countries, sometimes to visit the places if it's at all possible, and to have a good knowledge of the country and the culture in general. So that area of finance, I like it very much. I think it fits in with my hobbies and my passions as well.